Point of Sale module. Perfect Mind's point of sale system allows you to sell products, membership, and activities. For this phase, we will focus on the products. Products have to be created in the system first, which is done under Store and Manage Products. Once the products are created, individual products or grouping of products can be added to your point of sale layout screen. That layout can be custom per location and can also be customized further down per station. As a staff member, once you add items to the cart, you can adjust the price, add tax or remove tax, or add a discount, either for all the items in the cart or for individual items. You can then go through charging for the item, selecting the payment method, and attaching it to a customer. Go to Store and Manage Products. The next few videos will walk you through how to create all the different types of products that can be created here. Products such as gift cards, inventory items, non-inventory items, and tickets. There are views that are created on the left-hand side. New views can be created, and existing views can be edited. You can see the table view, where columns can either be adjusted. You can click and drag a column header to move it somewhere else, and you can sort by the columns as well. There's also a search field where you can search for the item that you are looking for. Lastly, you can select products to either delete or to print. Print will allow you to print the product labels associated to them, which you can then add to the product and scan in whenever a customer purchases one. As 6.2 was just released, the new features regarding the point of sale will be explored briefly. If Quick Pay and Open Refund have been enabled, this can be done under the Settings options and Other Features. The point of sale system will now look like this. This means that for simple transactions, which can be processed in either cash, account credit, or debit and credit, you can now skip the extra processing page and simply process payment directly from this one screen. Now, typically, this point of sale screen would have a charge button at the bottom, which would take you to another screen to process the sales. By having this Quick Pay functionality enabled, you can select an item. Let's select an item. We can increase the quantity here. It is currently attached to a walk-in. You could attach this transaction to a customer. And if you wanted, because the total is $50, you can simply click $50, which is cash. Process now, and the transaction is now complete. While the Quick Pay feature is enabled in this case, you can always go back to the processing page if you want to schedule the payment into the future. Let's sell this t-shirt and enter that the payment will be due tomorrow. We'll add this item. And while we can't do this as a Quick Pay, we could click on More Options, which will take you to the traditional payment page. We'll click More Options. And you can then, rather than choose Pay Now, select to Pay On. We can choose tomorrow's date, hit Done, attach a customer, and select a payment method. If you had to refund a customer who didn't have a receipt and you wanted to do a quick open refund without that receipt, you could click on this Open Refund button here, select the item which you wanted to refund quickly, and you would be able to do so to a walk-in. A great example is a public swim. If 20 customers are taking part of the public swim and have paid upon coming in, if for some reason the pool has to shut down and a refund was to be provided to those registrants, chances are most of them will not have the receipt handy. You could select this Open Refund, locate your public swim, change the quantity from 1 to a different value. You can either attach this refund to a specific customer or leave it as walk-in. You would have to provide a refund reason. If none are configured, you'll have to click on Manage Item to create your reason. These are set to be in cash. So we'll select cash and hit process. Lastly, the point of sale layout screen can be customized by configuring the buttons. Whereas the buttons to do so were traditionally located to the top right corner, you will find the Configure Buttons option under the three dots, which are located right here.